we are basically ignoring the most important single source of low carbon energy. We are both, we've been fairly concerned about the state of the environment and state of climate mitigation efforts. And there wasn't nothing much happening. And we felt that somebody has to bring into light these facts that we humanity managed at some point to really reduce carbon dioxide emissions really effectively. But we are not talking about those achievements today, even though we really need all the tools that we can get.
Well, it's encouraging to see that everybody agreed on something.
Yes,
that we should limit the warming to 2 degrees or even 1.5 degrees. And another encouraging sign was that everybody agreed that it should be technology neutral, not just pushing for one technology on the cost of the other.
I think this current agreement is more realistic than the previous ones. The mechanisms that were decided are more realistic. The goal, however, is very ambitious, and 1.5 degree target. That is the right thing to target. We really should strive towards that, because otherwise we are going to doom poor nations to be basically to sink under the sea. But how to get there is, well, I think it's even more, the message of our book is even more relevant, because if we want to get to the 1.5 degrees, we are really going to need everything we have.
And more.
And more, yeah.
Maybe a time machine.
A time machine would be nice, yeah.
Go back 20 years and start doing stuff.
Now we have to start discussing about energy in a really adult manner. We need to start thinking about all the technologies. We really need to get away from talking only about electricity. We need to be serious about how to take out fossil fuels in transport and in industry as well, because those targets are impossible if we don't do that. We have to be, because we simply can't get the numbers add up without nuclear. But it is true, like nuclear power has challenges, particularly in Europe, and it has problems. And there's the cost problem is one of the big ones. I think this is just something that we have to make work.
There's no other way.
Yeah.
We have to be optimistic about it.
Yeah.
But we have to also support that optimism with facts and action.
Yeah.